Okay. I just keep putting this off. I want to get started. Basically, last week I was playing around with this Deno Fresh was released to version 1 last week, and thought I'd play with it and had a bit of fun. I don't want to. It's basically just a super simple TypeScript API sort of web site that you can generate really quickly. It doesn't need build, and you can just deploy it to the servers, so online, in so quickly, and it's zero bloat. So it's not for super super full-on websites that need to do a lot of processing and whatnot. Although you probably can with the APIs and stuff. But if you just want to slam something up there, anyway, I put one up last week. 3 days ago. 47 sentences. I was just like, okay, what can I do with this new fresh Deno thing? Because I'm sick of making to-do apps and hello world and stuff like that. So anyway, I saw some dork on Reddit posted some guy's Twitter thread, and it was just inspirational bloody entrepreneur quotes. So I was like, okay, let's see how quickly I can just like make this into just a quote generator from that. So yeah, I was just playing around with this, blah blah blah. So the thread that I saw it on was here, and he just wrote down all these random shit, whatever business you're in, study psychology, cognitive bias, and body language, like, blah blah blah. They're making more money than a 4-year business degree. A happy customer is the most powerful form of marketing. Never sacrifice your reputation for money. Compete on value, not price. Like, seriously, like, these are all just whatever. And anyway, this was taken from some other guy on Twitter thing. So and he's just like sitting there buffing his nails on his shirt, thinking, "Wow, I'm so smart." Anyway, and I was just like, "Oh fuck it, I'm gonna just see if I can just like pull all these out and put them on a website that you can just like pull up in an API." Real quick, and what's going on? So that was the thread. Yep, source code is free in there, basically. And so here's the actual quote generator. Boom, and there it is. So you can just refresh that. Boom, copyright, blah blah blah, and it's super simple. Basically, you can have a look at the also the analytics. 7 days. So I got 485 requests in that time. Don't think it crashed at all. It's really okay. I don't know. I still haven't used this very much, so don't know. And the repo is here. So there's 7 commits 4 days ago, and it all took about half an hour to get it working properly. A lot of even that was just a dossing around trying to figure out the format of the Reddit thing. It was just like, yep, initial commit, blah blah blah, update all that. So and then yeah, it's just all pretty simple stuff. So the place where it basically mostly works is so you get your roots. So this is the interesting thing about this is like the way that Deno works, and Fresh specifically. Like, so Fresh is the front end to Deno, the server, whatever you want to call it. So it's super simple, and it's just like it just makes sense so quickly. So you got your static files, so just pictures and whatnot. Anything else you want to put in there? Utils, what was that for? Oh, so that's the Tailwind implementation. Why's my mouse not working? Hang on, my mouse. Okay. All right, so Tailwind. Now your roots. So you got roots, islands, and API. So islands. I didn't use any islands in this. I might have left the original one in there. So the index is pretty straightforward. So blah blah blah, fresh logo, just playing around, blah blah, and you can sort of see this is all the stuff that I had there. Let's go to the whole thing's crashed. What's going on? Oh, there we go. No logs. Oh, there we go. So this is just showing here what's probably just happened right now. Yeah, Australia Southeast, that's would have been mine. Took 2.3 milliseconds, 2.6 milliseconds to start up from cold. So good. All right. Anyway, so on here, right, so you can sort of see just seeing playing around, blah blah blah, some goofy entrepreneur. That's this stuff here, and then there's the other threads and counter start. Right, so this is what islands are. That's all you write in there, and it generates this here, which is this is the only interactive part of the thing, but you can build whatever you want as because the rest of it is generated as flat files or whatever on the like server rendered, and it's otherwise generates flat files. But an island, you can put an island in there. So that one there was the counter, and so this is just another TypeScript file, and this is a pretty simple one. So basically, just exports a function counter, gets the properties from just the page, and then you can sort of say, all right, if it's not a browser, then I don't know what I've not tested this, but anyway, yeah, when you click on the button, it just increases and decreases. It's just to sort of show some sort of interactivity. But yeah, so you can put islands in the stream. That is what we are. And then the other part there is on the other part of the roots. So we've got name. Now what name does is basically this, if you put in something here that doesn't exist. So if I go boom ASDF, all right, hello ASDF, bam, that's it. And that's just saying that there. So if actually, let's see how quickly this modifies. G'day. So just commit. So this should be now deploying. Oh no. Sorry, it automatically picks up in here. So if I refresh this, it should say what the latest. There we go. 11 seconds ago, update name.tsx. Now let's see if it's There you go. This is already deployed, so this is online. Bam. That was, I don't know. Well, anyway, it was quicker than I could navigate, which I found fucking fascinating. It's so good. Anyway, so yeah, if anything, it's effectively a 404 page, but you can do whatever you want with it. But yeah, that's the point. It just captures anything that some tricky bastard wants to put in there. And then the other part of this is where the actual meat of what was happening here is under roots, under API. So quote, right? So this one here, this is what took me the extra 15-20 minutes to build. I was like, okay, let's firstly let's get the Reddit post. So now the actual destination here is the API. I wonder what happens if you go like that. Should be it won't even do anything. So that saves precious CPU cycles. So this is the actual quote, and that's what this page is here, API quote.ts. So all you do is set up a fresh server. Then you do get the Reddit post, which is an async fetch of this, and all you do is you go to that page there, right, the one that we saw before. Right, but so to strip out all the other crap, this is where I love Reddit, because they got a JSON interface for everything, and in here is all of it in sort of JSON, which obviously looks crap there, but you can when it's formatted, it's fine. But anyway, in order to get the post itself, so here's the post body, is all of that. Oh, well, it's technically not that. Anyway, so the post body is the first entry in somewhere in here, and then you just basically got to figure out what the all the children and stuff, all the bits and pieces that goes to get down to the actual thing. So self text is what what this is. That's the self text. So if we look in here again and we search for self text, right? So there we go. Blah blah blah. Children blood data. Yada yada. Subreddit 47 sentences, and basically it's about that text there. What it's picking up, and it splits it. All I did, I just split it by the period, which because they were all just one sentences, and so that was easy rather than have to do anything special. So it puts it into an array, and then I put them all into a map, object map, whatever you want to call it, list map, and I just had the dot on the end, and then I couldn't be bothered. There's a couple like the author, air quotes author, put bollocks at the start and at the end, and so if he ever edits this, it'll be fucked. So I just said, all right, let's just get rid of the first line and the last few lines. So shift pop pop pop. There's better ways to do it, but because I already know the source of the data, that's it. But that's this. If you plugged in some other thing, this would not work at all. So console log sentences, which you sort of saw in here. If you go to the logs, there you go. It just puts out all the sentences in the log, and then it just picks one at random. So in order to do that, so here's the actual handler. There's the request and the context. So it gets a random sentences by just the number of sentences. So number of sentences, which we get here by splitting that into the array. Is that so 47? Yeah. And then it just picks a random number, and then the body is that random sentence. Then it logs that and sends it to the browser, and that's it. That's what that is. Anyway, that took nearly 10 minutes to to explain, and it only took about 25 minutes to do. And half of it was done in Copilot too, which I was pretty impressed by. Anyway, point being, I've been like, all right, I want to get to the point where I can just do that in my sleep. Like, it's kind of like wake up, make a coffee kind of thing. I just want to be able to create and deploy a new website that just does something that I just want to test, for no reason whatsoever apart from that. It'd be cool. So anyway, let's do this. So that was 4 days ago last time I did this. I can't remember what any of these other ones are. So let's do it. Now, so we want to. I'll go back because I can't. I never remember all the CLI, like the terminal things. So Deno run blah blah blah. My project. All right. Let's bring up a terminal. All right. So Deno run. All right. I don't have a thing in mind. Let's try and do writing prompt. I've played with a little bit of AI. Like you give it a writing prompt, kind of like the DALL-E thing, where you generate images, but this one's you just feed it a few words, and it'll generate an essay or a story or whatever, a social media post, and it's just a simple curl. So all right, so this is Deno Fresh. I just like to in the name of the project, I like to have what technology it is, because I use 20 different ones a week, so I always forget what they are. So Deno Fresh writers block. Yeah, that'll do. Tailwind, yes. Yes. All right. Manifest bin there. So if I go to, actually, I like doing the rest of it in thing. Actually, so we'll what we'll do also is we'll chuck it straight into GitHub so that it just tracks all the shit that I do. Let's open a new window. What's going on? There we go. Desktop, C, go to GitHub. Oh shit! Bloody hell! I rendered that in the wrong spot. All right, let's just do the same thing. I don't really care. Yep. Right, block. Yep. Yes. Yes. All right, project created. So go back to here. There we go. Deno Fresh writer's block. Just copy that in there, and we'll go and make a repository. Yep. Don't worry about any of the ignore licenses or anything. Just gonna play it fast and loose here. All right, just make sure it's picked up the right spot. Yep, so here we go. It's already set that up. I'll just publish it. Yep, publish. All right, so we'll open it in VS Code. So you can sort of see the outline we got here. And also, what's the next step? So I think you just, what is it? Task start. Okay, cool. How do I, oh, right. So I want to put this straight into, I want to put it straight up onto my thing. So here it is in GitHub. Fresh writer's block, yep. So let's just make sure we're all connected here. Let's change the, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, readme. Oh, let's put Copilot on. Yeah, activate Copilot. Let's make sure we got spaces of 4. I'll change all that. But anyway, I just want to make sure that this is all connected. Update README. Yep. Push that. So now we should be able to go to here, and that should update. Yep, just testing Deno Fresh. So now we go into my projects, add a new project, select GitHub. Yep. Is that working? Whoops. Deno Fresh writer's block. Master or main. Yeah. Yep, automatic. This bit I'm not really sure. Pretty sure I just main.ts. Yeah, oh, you can also add environment variables here, which yeah, so that's really cool. I've not tried it yet, but I guess we will. Oh fuck. Let's just call this big. I don't need the Deno Fresh on here because we know it's on Deno and Fresh because that's where we are. So this is a Deno deploy, and you can see there it's just such a great little playground. So if I link that, yep, it's created the repository, it's taken it all from GitHub, done all that, yep, cool, sorted. And that's now if I go to writer's block, deno.dev, there we go, bam. This is now on the interwebs. So let's update this. Here's the website, and yep, save changes. So now whenever you come in here, you just go to there, bam, it's opened up in that. Now I can modify this stuff in here if I want to. So update that. It said update the index.tsx. If we modify this and say, yep, well, hello there, Spammerkin. I don't know. Let's start this at nice. Okay. Anyway, I won't bother changing any of that other stuff. So you can modify it directly in there, which is fine. So now if we go back here, check in here. There you go. It's already uploaded, like on there. It's so cool. So I don't need this anymore. So writer's block, if we refresh this page, it should show up the latest deployment. So update TSX, so that was 23 seconds ago. Now you can sort of see if there's the analytics won't come through yet, but won't be long. Anyway, so okay, so Australia Southeast. That's the other thing. This Deno deploy also what it does is it picks up where you're from, and there's something like 27 or 23 places around the world where it automatically puts it on the edge on an edge server. So this is deployed around 23 different places in under 20 seconds. So good. All right. Oh, there's the analytics. Request count 13 already. Well. Did the counter's up at 69, dude. That doesn't save anywhere. That's just the island. All right, cool. So next stage. Now so if we go back to in here, what we're going to find is that we're out of. I actually prefer just using GitHub Desktop. So if we go here, boom, it's pulling it down. There's one commit, which is the changing that. So this thing here should update in my index. There you go. Well, hello there, Spammerkin. Good. Cool. So this stays fresh across all different things. Just one other cool thing that is interesting. So if I want to modify that in here again, like so, just say I'm just on a laptop, someone's laptop, but I'm logged into my GitHub account. You go here and you just hit period. Right. What it does is it loads up VS Code directly in the web. It's taking a bit of time, but yeah. So you get 90% of the functionality of desktop VS Code directly in the website. Here we go. Blah blah blah. Would you know? It's using. Yep. So that's all good. Yeah, cool. You can add a whole bunch of these, but I won't bother. That's cool. All right. So let's go back. One thing I do want to do here quickly. This shouldn't take long because there's only a few things. I just really don't like using two. I've got so much screen width. I don't like going too far, but I prefer 4 here. So what we want to do is go to Preferences, Settings, and change the tab. What is it? No, spaces. All right. Detect indentation, but in the workspace, I want this to be false. Settings enabled and detect indentation false because I want spaces to be 4. Yeah, that's right. And then when I so boom, and I can go now. I can just go and modify all these, set them all to 4. There shouldn't be too many. I'll get rid of. I'll leave the islands there. It's a bit of fun. So the joke one there. Oh, so that's the other one that's automatically deployed. Is in here. If you go to the API, this is just to show you. Go to API, bam, and you get called IT support and a chap from Australia came to fix my network connection. Do you come from a land down under? Oh, why do Java developers often wear glasses? They can't see Java. All right. So let's just format all these. There's not many. So this is the 404 one. And here's the main index that we've done that to. Don't need those. Utils, Tailwind. I've not touched much of the Tailwind stuff yet, so I don't really know what I'm doing there, but we'll get there. Do I edit? Import map. I don't think that matters. So these are the imports. That's the other thing. So unlike good old Node.js, you don't have to do these npm installs and blah and keep all these things up. You just sort of we all know that they're on the internet, and you're fucked if the internet's down half the time anyway. But anyway, so yeah, you just actually import these. I can't speak too intelligently on how that works versus an npm, except the fact that it doesn't download them to your thing like node underscore modules directory, which fills up with like 300 megabytes of all these inconsistent things that rely on so many other things. It's there. And it's made to be as as basic as possible. All right. Oh, and so you can also run this locally. So was it Deno task start? I think it was. So we can see this rendered locally. So this is my local host. Yep, bam. And we can just double check that. So we'll have this one open on the side as well. So right, just for logical order, localhost, this is my Deno deploy zone, and this is the one that's actually deployed. So we can sort of see when they line up. So welcome, hello there. And so if we go back here and just, so when it says hello there, so if I go ASDF, hello ASDF. Yeah, nah. Oops. All right, bam. And if I go back here, it's already updated that. So if I go back here, there are 4 spaces. Boom, push them up. Whoops, a daisy. Where's it gone? Hey. Alright, so check in here. When's the last time it's updated? 7 minutes ago. Hasn't come through yet. There we go, 3 seconds. There are 4 spaces. And the thing that we'll get here is if we go, there you go, bam. So this is the one that's online. That's how quick it takes to go from your code to GitHub to Deno deploy to working. That's fucking great. All right, so let's do something useful now. We'll leave the API in there for joke. And have we got? Yeah, we got Copilot activated. So what will we call this one? Let's just call it. So we'll set up a new API. We'll just copy this, copy paste, and call it right. Swipe. No. No, I don't want to get. No, I don't want to get used that. That's sort of like a reserved function name on text and files and stuff. So API slash. We'll just go block. Yeah, that'll do. All right, so we're in here. We don't need any of this. Actually, we'll just start afresh. All right. So the I'll find I'll find this other one off screen just in case. So it's OpenAI or something, I think. AI. No. What was it? Oh God. I was just there, man. Deep AI? Shit. Oh, man. Alright, let's. This is annoying. How do you find your stars? Oh, here we go. Deep AI. Yep. This one's hilarious. I won't put it on the stream. You feed it images, and it'll tell you what you're seeing. Like it'll actually say, you know, women's exposed buttocks. I don't know how I can tell the difference, but whatever. It's hilarious. So anyway, Deep AI GPT-2. This hasn't been updated for 3 years, so this is sort of like an old version, but it's still fun to play with. So basically, the other thing is like, if I don't like it, I can modify it to do whatever I want. So anyway, here's how you can basically get to it. And there's a version of it here, text generation API, and it's like you just feed it some words and like, all right, what's I was around a balloon on a Friday night, way too sober, so I decided to do some coding and see what happens next. All right, submit that, see what we get. When you're doing anything for an hour, that's when the end of the world comes around, and you realize that everything was just being done is done. What? In other words, just to see what happens next and how it's going to react. Jason Lee. What? Is that an actual quote? That's the dude from My Name Is Earl, isn't it? Is it? Let's see. No, it's just made this shit up. All right. Next step came from a single code section called the final code. It's the final code. It wasn't created, but some basic code they created was new code. The final code, however, was come on, God. This is just anyway. It's just something. It'll be great for just making a spam bot, which was what we're going to do. So let's check out the docs for the API. So we can just use a curl. What are the other options? JavaScript. That means I've got to call required. No, that. Oh. No. There's a minified version, so I think I'll just use that. Yeah. Where is that? Include. Is that going to be? I don't know. Where is it? Dist. Is this the same? Oh yeah. Wonder if I can just include it. That might be a bit cheeky. All right, let's see what happens. So let's do some Copilot. Include following JS file. It's all a bit iffy, but what Copilot is really good for me, and is what I'm switching context a lot between 5 different languages in a day. Oh fuck, it's pulled up old shit. And just doing things like simple for when loops and all that sort of gear. Sometimes I forget what is all this? Import DPI from DPI, blah, blah, blah. That seems about right. No, none of this is. That's useless. I think it's. Oh god, what have I done? Ah, shit, that won't work, will it? All right, I won't do an API on this one simply because I'll figure out a way to port it to an API later. Oh, actually, no. All right, let's just remove that, and we'll just make a we'll just paste that in. So I got discombobulated now because I really thought I could just do that pretty easy. Block.tsx. So now if I go to what's the problem? Oh, it's gone. Let's just close everything else. Everything's saved. Yes. Handle context is never. That's not even there, man. Refresh your bullshit. I'm gonna restart this. All right. So this also. So it says don't modify this file. So do not edit because it's generated basically, it automatically creates the roots for you. Like one of the things that I remember doing in Node.js and AngularJS and all this other stuff is you just sit there and if you forget to write a root, like if you've written a whole page, you forget to add the root and you just like send it up. But this automatically generates it way before you even get a chance. Now what's it going to do? Open it, Visual Studio again. So this should be busted now if I try to refresh that. Yep. So what I'm going to do is go to block, Control Wizard. It's terminal, and we just want Deno task start. All right, back to localhost, refresh that. Okay, so this is just a copy of index.ts. Now in here, I'm not sure where to include this stuff. I've not messed around enough to know how this TSX stuff it works. Like I've played with React a fair, well, not a fair bit, a little bit. So we need only one out of thing. Let's see if So script source equals and where is it? This. Should I just include? Oh, yeah, no, I'll just include that. I guess. I don't know if that's you're allowed to do that. All right, cool. We don't need any of this. So, this is the tower. This is sort of like a It's called twinned. It's sort of like a minified tailwind somehow. I don't really understand, but yeah. Get rid of the counter. Now, what else do we need? I don't think we need anything right now. So now we've got the deep AI in there. We need so we need. Oh, what the fuck is this? GPT-2 Lingos. So I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work. Oh, okay. There's my API key. That's great. I didn't realize it. I think that's my actual API key. All right, I won't be making this public until I figure out a way to get rid of that. So, where would I even do this? I'm not even sure. This is where I'm going to get a bit. Include JavaScript file. No. As an import? I don't know. This is where I'm gonna look like a complete noob. Import deep AI from deep AI. I don't know if that's gonna work. Actually, why don't we fucking check it out? Deep AI. Deep AI. Deno. Oh no, that was just there. Text the image API. What if I put Deno first? What are the, called OpenAI? I don't think it's a Deno one. That's okay. All right, how do we do this? Not sure this is going to work at all, but this is the whole point of just figuring it out in it. See, so require is not going to work there. I don't suppose you can just do that. There's no exported member DPI. What's in it then? Oh no, I'm an idiot. It's just kind of here. I want the actual raw. You moron. Fucking idiot. That. Let's see if we can. Let's cache it. Sweet. Looks like it worked. All right. So dpi.setAPI-key. It looks like that's going to work. And then what do we need to do? What's the rest of the stuff here? So dp-API, setAPI-key function, blah blah blah. Call standard API, text generated text. Alright, let's try that. So we don't need that. That's so stupid. Alright, wait, no, we got so also Deno does top level await. Still getting my head around, but basically async functions can just operate out here without having to do a whole bunch of malarkey wrapping them in all this stupid crap. So var, let's just say dpi resp. I don't need to. So wait, dpi. I like that. Dot call standard API text generator. Is there something wrong going on here? Var key. Oh, var. Okay. Console.log dpi API response. So your text URL, or can it just be text? Alright, let's try. What did I put in here? Oh, okay, let's type something else and see if we don't get Jason Lee giving us things. Oh, wait. When I get a chance, I'll write a blog post about this. Okay. About, hang on a bit, not about this, about that time I spent in the woods. There we go. Nice. Boom. What's going on here? Oh. What's the exported member then? Is there a better way? I'm not sure how to do it like this. It's just bringing out a function. Like, I think it just exports require 666. It is. It exports DPI. Oh, right. Duh, I see. I'm an idiot. So that, now I can use my own objectifiers. So that's all done. Syntax error, requested module does not provide an export named deepAI. What are you talking about? How can I fix that? All right. Import from import circuit equals blah blah blah. Yep. Deno run test.ts. Can I include it directly here? Don't know if I can mess with that. Let's go deep AI. Let's try putting it in the file here. It's going to be a million problems there, but might be able to. Alright, might have hit a roadblock. Exports DPI. Wonder if any of that's useful. I just don't know, Captain. Oh, okay. Let's go back to the map. Let's just get rid of that altogether for now. Okay, this is where I'm a little bit out of my depth. When it's all this webpack bullshit. What does it export then? Can you just assign whatever it exports? Uh, let's just do this later. Invalid URL. What? Oh, I don't know if it's fetch. I think it's just like deno.read file. Alright, Lisa's picking it up, I think. How do I refer to... Alright, I'm stuck now. uh, off. Alright. What about a curl? Alright, let's see if we can just curl. That might be easier. Where were we? So that's not useful for me now. Alright, so what do we got here? Const. Oh god, my brain is fucked. Okay. D-I-A-P. Hey, where'd it go? Yeah, key equals that. Don't know why it's like that. So we'll set the writing prompt equals, and what did I write here? When I get a chance. So basically, we'll we'll turn that into a thing that can pick up from other places at a later date. But for now, we'll just have it as a constant, and we'll put that here. So text equals plus the writing. Oh, wait, what have I done? Get rid of all that. Wait. Fetch feet. I'm gonna fetch fetish. Deep API call. And then console dot log deep API response. All right, let's see what happens. What was that? Invalid URL. Oh, that's not really the URL, is it? How do you do a curl in Deno? Well, let's see if. These don't seem right. It's just the URL again. But the URL is that. How do you feed it this stuff? Why are they all the same? It's something that 10 years ago I would have done without a problem, but my brain just doesn't work the same anymore. Get blah blah blah, string responses, wait, fetch, summarization. What? Okay, where to get this shit from? Wait, fetch, blah blah blah, text equals. Where's the text? I don't know what that is. Return, oh wait. Alright, and then okay, that works. That'll be fucking amazing. Let's just block all this out for now. Pending. Console.log await. Model not found. Text summarization. Yeah, I don't understand what that was. What was the stuff in there that you're supposed to add into it? Text equals blah and H. Model not found. Text summarization. Is this? Oh, maybe I'm actually supposed to put in there. Well, all right. What am I missing? Should be pretty easy. What's this text summarization bullshit? Can you just do this? So text equals. Just make it when I get a chance. And API key equals. Model not found. Text summarization. All right. Okay, let's have a look in the thing ourselves. The results. I don't understand what the text summarization is. The fuck is hugging face? I don't want to look at that. Actually, that isn't that the other Dali? Interesting. Anyway, no, I'm on a mission. Actually, I'm going to take a 2-minute break. Gotta get another glass of water. Okay. So model not found. Blah blah blah. API text. Hang on. Why is that text summarization? Is that even the correct text generator? Fucking idiot. Thank you, Copilot. Error proceeding processing. All right. Anyway, so that. I'm an idiot. All right. Text is the text and API key is the API key. We do not need that. I don't know where that comes from. Just making shit up again. All right. So it needs to be in a header. So you can't fetch it. So how do you add? Can you just header on here? Headers dot add append API key. Oh, hang on, header code API key. Is that right? What is that? Oh wait. Why is this spelled double await? Headers are immutable. What's that? That looks a bit better. Const text API key. But it should be as that, please. And then the rest. Wait, fetch API default. Fucking summarize. What's this shit, man? What are you doing, cat? Hmm? Leave me alone. Alright. Seem about right. Valid API key. Fucking get out of the way. Stupid cats and all that. Really. Fuck off. Yeah, you're gonna be a prick, aren't you? Why is that not valid? Actually, I installed a recent. I haven't tried it. No! Fuck off! I'm working. Oh! You're just gonna fuck, aren't you? Oh, that's shit up. I hate you. No, it's the. Oh, I've lost my thing now. Oh, no, it was a console log thingy. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll get by. Anyway, it automatically did all this weird stuff for your console. And I've lost it now. So it says called API key, which is what I'm using, right? Yes. Excuse me. Oh, cool. Why is that not an valid API key? Ah, they're giving the wrong error. I did wonder about that, but I thought, they know what they're talking about. Ah. Why is that one like that? That one is. Oh, am I even adding headers? Can you just like. That doesn't seem right. It's been so long since I've done anything like this. Might get rid of that. Stop changing that, please. Invalid URL. What have I done? Body starter. What's wrong with that? Do we need those? Yeah, I think we do. Oh, good. So it's different here. Request equals new request, post Deno dev, blah blah blah, content type, blah blah blah. Yep. Let's just see what that does. Okay, we've come to a fucking halt now, haven't we? What's going on here? Why does this keep coming up in fucking here? It's not even there anymore. There we go. Sorted. Alright, unauthorized this time. Headers, content type, and we need the API key. Bad request. Why isn't data something you can send? This should be easy. It's one of those things where it normally is. doesn't curl work? Well, since we're not using JavaScript now, we might be able to do this in the API, which I prefer. All right, let's kind of start. Actually, I need another 2-minute break. Take a piss. All right, let's see if my brain's back online. All right, so that's right. Yep, we're gonna goes straight to the API. So we just need that. I'll just copy the whole thing. So block.ts. So now if we go to here, API, go away cat, don't fuck with me. Right, refresh key, yep, cool, that works. So it's bringing back the joke stuff. We don't need any of that. So what was showing up in here? So export const handler, rec requests. Handler context. I'm not sure if we need promise response here, so we don't need that. Oh fuck! Oh, I got a cat stalk. Oh, she's sending on the printer now. Oi! Don't print shit. Off. No. Ugh. Come on. No, don't. Get off my computer. Fuck. Over there. God damn. Fucking hate cats, man. Oh, what's it doing? I've lost my place again. Oi. Fuck off. Can't they just go and live their own life? Alright. Right, these are still useful. Boom. Fetch. What's this bearer stuff? It's not like a JWT, I mean. Don't know. Been years since I did that from scratch. Alright, get writing prompt. I like this one. Looks okay. Fuck. No, it just doesn't look right. Yeah, where's that come from? So it's... Let's see if I put junk in here, right? So it's saying invalid API key, right? So if I take that out, it should give a different error. Yep, so the API key is valid. All right. Error processing, given inputs from request. So I reckon I can just curl this shit. Like, seriously. Alright. Let's have a look at the curl. No, just your text, yeah. So I should just be able to do this. Curl. I was doing something. Alright. Output. Alright, so anyway, I didn't like the the your text here thing. That's fine. We can just put in. Let's. Oh, I wonder if it's because of that. That would really. That would really fucking do my head in. Actually, let's just put it so what's minus f versus minus? So minus h is gonna text equals when I get a chance I will write a blog post about that time I spent in the woods. Right, let's send it. There we go. After posting, I respond to it by writing a blog post explaining it, or sometimes there is a question. Can I write a blog? So the curl does work. Yes, this is all correct. Okay, this is gonna be so stupid. I wonder if Copilot can figure this out. Let's just ask Google, just because it's been so long. Curl of a vector. What? No, not mathematics. Form. Name equals content. Yep, okay, fine. Shouldn't say shit. Yeah, they're all for fucking installing. Deno TSX fetch form headers. It's already done all this headers. Here we go. No. Wonder if I can just include the query parameter there. Form data, here we go. Actually, before I do that, I'm just going to try this simple fucking add the URL plus text equals this song was just done. Consider by it's doing a post, isn't it? So I'm not sure if that'll work at all. Alright, so the API key is definitely correct, because that should change again. Yeah, so it's just trying to send through that stupid. So that's using a get. Alright, so obviously this form data bullshit. I don't think I've ever seen this sort of format. Alright, so we'll go back to post. So post is fine. API key is good. So if we bring the body back, that should just give us the same cannot process blah blah blah. What the fuck is that doing? Alright, so we got rid of that error. What's this go to Google Home bullshit? What? What the fuck is that? What? Get off my lawn. Oh no! It's fucking stuck there now. What? Ugh. What's causing this? This is so annoying. I can't operate with this. Why would that ever be there? This is so fucking shit. I don't want to restart my computer right now. I'm only going to be able to fix this by restarting the fucking thing, aren't I? It's not. It just. I can't even think what might even initiate that. All right, I'll try to deal with it for a little while and just see if we can get this working. All right, so where were we? FD. So body. I'll just make that FD. What happened? It's bad request now. Oh well. So text was get off my lawn. Still a bad request. should just be able to do a simple curl. Was it even printing this? Where's the console.log for that? It's only two it's not even them there. It's just still picking it up from here. Oh, okay. That's helpful. After all that, wait. I don't know. Yeah, so it's sending that. Alright, we'll get rid of that. Wasn't that... Guess the API doesn't just auto-reload. Can I open that in a thing over here? That'll be cool. What's going on here? No. Can I just call my own thing? So, curl localhost. Not sure if that works. Oh yeah, cool. It's not as helpful as just automatically running it, but whatever. Don't know why the API doesn't just refresh. Anyway, so See, a curl is a get, isn't it? Ah, look, that's where it's coming from, but why can't I get rid of that? God damn it. It even works here. Alright, so my problem is just being able to figure out how to write a curl in TypeScript. My god, I've been going 2.5 hours now. Bloody hell. So I can even do it here, can't I? What was that? Wonder why. I wonder if you have to import the library. And that's all I have to do. It could be as stupid as that. Like it just doesn't support, well, it does support curl, but you need to, could be mod. Alright. What is curl? Baby, don't hurt me. Alright, let's just blank all that out for now. Oops. So curl mod, curl. Okay, this is looking promising. No. Hey, that's what I wanted. Bam. Is that it? Deep AI API. Result. Wait. What the fuck? Is that it? What's the problem? Curl does not exist on type of import. What are you talking about? That's what came up. No, let's just see what happens. Invalid URL. What? Close and reopen this. Actually, I might shut down all of these. So, can we just save all these as a latest? I'll shut down all my other windows. I know where to get them, I think. Yep, that's fine. Oh, it's still there. Fuck you. God damn it. I wonder if I can select that and send it to a different window, you know. Vivaldi, where are you? Not there. No, it's just fucked. I really wouldn't want to restart all this. Fuck. Right. Just okay. It's not there. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, seriously? Have I just got the wrong bloody... No, that's correct. Yeah. How do you use it? I know it's got to be in examples. Cool. Heroes, Deno Fetch. What? That seems really crap. We'll try calling this from here. So without the curl itself, that's going to fuck up, I know that for sure. Curl is just doing a fetch. Which I can do without fucking curl. This is so. This should be the easiest part. I wonder if it's. See, this is putting it afterwards. But it's still just a fetch. And you can't just like add that shit in there. God, what if we go to see if some motherfuckers. This is 90% of my time has just been trying to do a fucking curl. Like, I got all the other weird shit happening just fine. Wait, can you do that? No, I guess not. I swear this has got to be the easiest and dumbest thing. No, it's not going to be any help. So these are all bash bash commands. Oh, fuck. All right, what were the other options there? What was it? It was deep AI. Oh, fuck. Via JavaScript require deep AI. Deno require. I've already looked for this, haven't I? The fuck does I get that from? Did I get the right fucking thing? Yeah, so the RDPA. How do I get this? Oh god, okay, I think I just have to give up. Why doesn't curl work? That really bugs me. So all I want to do is that. So one of the other ones I saw had that at the front. I wonder if I can just do that. Program not found. What are you talking about? Do I have to import something? Do I forget that? Alright. 3-minute break. Fuck, doing this 3 hours now. Okay, what the fuck's going on? So what? What's going on here? I've done and not even started the fucking server? Yeah, I have. Oh, okay, I guess it's not willing to. Ah, right. So where's the problem here? 62. Deno.run. CMD. Yep. Oh, hang on. That's what I want. I guess. What have I done? Okay. Why is that not working? Hey! Holy fuck! What? I'm not even on that API. What's going on here? Right, so that's returning ASDF because I've got it there. So if I change that to await deep API. Oh, okay, I think we've done something. Fuck me. Alright, API / block. Hello. Alright, so it's not doing. Alright, anyway, it's fucking working. Let's commit that. Alright, let's get rid of all this shit. Yep, okay. So we're getting it back as what? It takes a long time to get there. So ID, I wonder if that means you can go back and re-get it later. Alright, but for now, all we want is output stream dot output. Wondering how that's. Going to set the cats on fire. Here we go. All right, let's start.